Diretso na tayo pag-usapan na natin si Alyssa Valdez at si Joanna Maraguinot. Yan po yung dalawa nilang kamador.
That's right. So Alyssa Valdez, dati we're used to seeing always, or we're just used to hearing na laging Alyssa Valdez making the scores here for Ateneo. But now, meron na siyang katulong.
Yes.
The Joanna Maraguinot has really proven herself to be also one of the ace spikers para dito sa Ateneo.
Well, of course naman, para dito sa kupunan ng Ateneo, they will not be having the services of Madi Madayag today. Met very well. De Jesus, good read. That was gonna stay in. Maraguinot nakabuelo, and it falls in.
With a little help from the net. And again, yun pa rin yung parin.
Back set ngayon. Dindin goes through the defense. Alyssa. Maraguinot cross court.
Good recovery for the Lady Eagles.
Pablo Rubi de Leon on the run. Dindin kept alive there by Giselle Tan. Alyssa Valdez sending it now to Maraguinot. And Myla Pablo tried to keep it alive, but it's a powerful shot from Maraguinot. And she's excited. Tan leaving it for De Leon. Sent back there by Manabat. Here's Valdez. Oh, wow, through everybody.
Ang talaga ng bola ni Alyssa, hindi niya naiangat.
Lahat nilusutan ni Alyssa. Apat ang nilusot. Dindin and Ruby not on the same page that time. Alyssa Valdez.
Good angle chosen by Alyssa.
Pablo, quiet today. Tan lifts it up. Maraguinot, yes! To 4. And the high leaping Joanna Maraguinot with his ultra-fast spike brought to us at PLDT Home Altera, the ultra-fast LTE for happy family.